Your appearance, please.
Good morning, Your Honor. Wendy Barnwell, P42505, on behalf of Mr. Amari Sanders.
All right, what are we doing?
We reached a waiver resolution on this matter. My understanding is that the defendant is going to be waiving on both files with the agreement that on the file ending in 2162, there will be an offer extended in circuit court to plead to an added count 4 of unarmed robbery under FIDO, counts 1 through 3 to be dismissed upon taking that plea. And then on the CCW file ending in 2157, going to be a waiver up and a plea as charged under FIDO on that file.
Is that a correct statement?
That is true, Judge. I did communicate that to my client. He knows that the prosecutor is making a record today of the offer that will be available in circuit court. He understands that all his trial rights are still preserved, and he's willing to waive the exam, Judge.
Sir, you understand that you're waiving your right to a preliminary examination?
Yes, Your Honor.
You understand that that is a proceeding where the people would have to show by probable cause that the offenses alleged were committed and that you committed them.
Yes,
You understand you'll not have that hearing and that you'll proceed to circuit court for further resolution of both of these cases.
yes,
All right, people also waive their right.
Yes, Your Honor.
Preliminary examination having been waived, defendant is bound over to circuit court on all 4 felony counts. Ms. Barnwell, your client waives formal reading, stands mute.
Yes, Judge.
Defendant having waived formal reading, standing mute, court will enter a not guilty plea as to all charges. Pretrial in these matters will be set
January 27th at 1:30.
January 27, 2025, 1:30 before Judge Conkey.
Thank you, Judge.
Thank you. Your name, sir?
Blake Robinson.
He's waiving.
Yes, Your Honor. There was an offer made here for that waiver to waive up and plead as charged on this matter in circuit court, as well as at the next hearing on his other felony matter. It's an Arno, except for this Thursday, he would be pleading to an attempt Arno as a global resolution on that one. And that file was 26F5-5000FY.
That's set for PCC, or is that set
Yes,
before?
for PCC.
So that's going to be a waiver?
Yes,
That
Judge.
one's going to be a misdemeanor plea at PCC.
Got it. Okay, then I won't try to do that today. All right, I was just going to try to get everything together for him. Oh, but we won't do that. That's, Ms. Barnwell, that's your understanding?
Yes, Judge.
Sir, you're waiving your right to a preliminary examination in this matter?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, and you understand that that's a proceeding where the people would have to show by probable cause that the offense alleged was committed and that you committed it.
Yes, Your Honor.
And you understand you'll not have that hearing, you'll proceed to circuit court for further resolution.
Yes, Your Honor.
People also waive their right.
Yes, Your Honor.
Preliminary examination having been waived, defendants bound over to circuit court on count 1 with 2 following.
Going to waive a reading of the information and stand mute.
Defendant having waived formal reading, standing mute as to both counts, court will enter a not guilty plea. Pretrial will be set for
At 1:30 before Judge Conkey.
March 10th, 2026, 1:30 before Judge Conkey.
I didn't hear the name of that, Judge. You said Conkey?
Conkey. Yes.
Okay, thank you, Judge. There's one more matter.
In this case,
Yes,
is it bond?
my client had, yes,
He's out. You want-
I know, but there's a,
No.
he wants permission to travel.
To where?
So he
So,
works,
no, so if I don't like the place, then no. No. Where's he want to go?
Your Honor, this is the situation. He works for Amazon. We all depend on them, right? Well, they're going in teams, traveling in teams
We.
to different places out
Do I
of state.
depend on Amazon? Yeah,
Practically,
yeah,
right.
pretty much.
To
Go ahead.
different places out of state.
Good.
So he doesn't know exactly where now, but for the next 7 months, that's what they have to do. I guess that's why we get those packages so early.
Mine are always late. Where, no, on the one that's set for PCC. What is that charge?
I'll have to look. Obstructing.
The PCC matters of resisting and obstructing charge.
Okay, because I have, the issue is that I have a bond violation technically on this one. That results, as I'm to understand, because he picked up the other case.
I believe that's correct. I never received a bond violation report, so that was my understanding was the reason for the violation.
When is he supposed to start the
A week.
travel?
It's within a week that he's supposed to start.
Does he have, you have any documentation indicating that that's it, that you put your hands on today? Because
Emails.
here's the deal, if I don't deal with it today, right, then I lost jurisdiction on this case. And I can't do it. You follow me? So that's gonna be my problem. Then you'll have to get that before Judge Chunky before you can do that.
They won't let me get it. No, they won't even take me the information because I got the tether on my leg.
Hmm?
I said they won't even give me the information, the rest of the information because I got
Now,
the tether on my leg.
maybe the other alternative might be, well, you're up before me on Thursday, right?
Yes,
Or
he's here on the
okay,
15th.
So can you put your hands on it by Thursday?
Yeah.
Huh?
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay,
The thing is, they didn't want to give him information because of the tether, because they see this as an impossibility.
who?
The
Amazon.
job, right?
Yeah.
Amazon.
What did it
Doesn't make
say?
sense. Who the hell?
So basically, so basically with this tether on, they won't give me no information on where I'm going.
Where? So because you have the tether, they'll keep you employed, let you do whatever you're doing.
I've been seasonal. It's seasonal. I'm seasonal worker.
So hold it, are you currently employed with them?
Yeah, I'm currently employed with them, but I'm going through a third party. We're going out of town. They just sending us out of town. They pay for everything.
I guess I'm not clear on this. So he's kind of employed, or he's employed by Amazon. Right? He's going to go do training out of state. Right?
Correct.
But you don't have the information regarding that training,
No.
but you think you can by Thursday?
Yeah.
Okay, so here's, because I'm gonna need that to give travel permission on his other case in the event, right? So make sure when you come back on Thursday that you have that information that you can give counsel, okay?
Okay.
And then on this case, I guess since I don't have it, the best thing that
I guess I could bring a motion, an emergency motion.
well, I think, or I don't know
George,
if the people have an objection to it.
Your Honor, if I get proof of employment, I'd be more than happy to stip to allow travel for that purpose.
Yeah. So, but, and then you could step and then Judge Kunke could sign it, right? But I don't know when that would happen and if it doesn't happen in time for him to travel. So I know what I'll do. I'll do it this way. What is that other case number?
It's
26F5-5000.
5,000.
Yes,
So 26F5, 5,000.
yes.
That's the one for Thursday.
Yes.
Yeah.
So I'm gonna do this as kind of does it backwards, but I think we'll get us there. As long as you can get the information to us on Thursday, okay?
Okay, Your Honor.
So what I'll do is I'll continue as bond in this case. But in this case, I will indicate that the defendant may travel as permitted in case 26F5 5000 for work purposes. So I've ordered that while I have jurisdiction in this case. It should carry over then, when I order it in the other case, you'll have the same travel. Make sense?
Now, my
Fine.
next question is, can we zoom in for that? Or we have to be here physically?
See what I just did for her client?
You know what, Judge, I'm in Ann
No,
Arbor.
you see what I just did for her client? And then I
You know
do
what,
that,
Judge?
I do that, I like you. She's wearing on my nerves, but
All right, Judge, I'm in Ann Arbor on Thursday with Judge Slade, so
so
physically.
you were gonna go see Judge Slay and not me?
So
Oh,
I
no,
realize that.
No.
But if there is like the time conflict, I don't know if it'll be in the afternoon because he is, no, it's still in the morning.
It's at 3 p.m. on Thursday.
His is? Oh, because it's a bond.
Or just be, no, he's just out of custody.
He's just out of custody.
Yeah.
On Thursday.
He's a good thing Thursday.
Okay, all right, so what else do you want?
I'll be zooming.
I am
Judge.
trying to, she has time to file the form. I do.
Oh, I have time up until tomorrow?
You got about an hour and 15 minutes.
Oh, my God.
Is
Okay.
he gonna want to appear via Zoom also?
It could be.
Yeah, could be.
I can talk to people better when they're on Zoom and I'm on Zoom. When they're in the courtroom, it's like, it's unyoked, is
I
that?
like people in person. All right. Well, the problem is, he's gonna have to be here because he's gonna have to get me the form to
Paperwork.
stop, right? So I need him here. You fill out the form if you need to appear via Zoom if you're downtown.
Okay.
That was way longer than I needed to take with that at all. All right, so
Thank you, Judge.
you got that,
That's
so
right.
that we can get your paperwork so I can take a look at all of that, okay?
That's right.
All right,
Thank you.
all right, folks, thank you.
I thought I gave the waiver form.
You did. We were trying to help you.
Thank you. I did try.
All right, sir, you're good. Take care.
Thank you.
Court does call the case of the people versus Joseph Hefner Cantor.
People. Thank you, Your Honor. Alex Warren, Green on behalf of Mr. Hafner Cantor. Can you please state your name?
Joseph Hafner Cantor.
All right,
This is the day and time set for preliminary examination. As it relates to counts 1 and 2, the people are unable to proceed. I would ask for remand.
Your Honor, the defense would move to dismiss with respect to count 1 and 2.
two are dismissed. I'll continue his not guilty pleas as to counts 3 and 4. This will be set for pretrial on January 26, January 26, 2026. Time, I'm sorry. 1 p.m. before Judge Freshour. Continued.
Your Honor, may I be heard with respect to bond?
Yes.
Thank you, Your Honor. Mr. Hafner Cantor's bond was revoked at the last hearing he had before this court. Mr. Hafner Cantor had admitted to several Soberlink violations, including one that occurred at the same time he was in court for a misdemeanor OWI. And Your Honor, at that time, I think the argument we made was a little naive. I think we were asking this court to find that Mr. Hafner Cantor had had an epiphany and was going to cease drinking on his own volition. Since that time, I've had a discussion with Mr. Hafner Cantor about putting some safeguards in place to ensure that he does not begin drinking again. And Mr. Hafner Cantor admits that he does have an alcohol issue. Your Honor, Mr. Hafner Cantor his Soberlink was previously, well, in the other case, a scram tether was ordered. But in addition to that, Mr. Hafner Cantor previously attended AA meetings at the St. Paul Church in
Can
Saline.
I just say something?
Yes, Your
Isn't
Honor.
he before Judge Freshour on the OWI?
That's correct, Your Honor.
Yes, Your Honor.
And so it would seem to me that she might be better equipped if I just leave it where it is to deal with the violation here. Quite frankly, that's what I'm thinking.
I understand the court's position. I did talk to Mr. Hafner Cantor, and I think he knows that this case is now going to be remanded to the same judge. But he does want me to ask the court to reconsider bond. It was initially set at $5,000 personal. I would ask the court to consider reinstating that. I know that a referral has been made in the OWI case to the district court sobriety court. And
Which also Judge Freshour handles.
that's correct, Your Honor. So I'd ask the court to consider it. But otherwise, we would renew our argument before Judge Freshour.
I am not, I don't need a response from people. I'm going to deny your request. I'm going to leave this bond as revoked. You can address all of that, the drug court as well as OWI, everything. You can address it before Judge Freshour and let her make that decision.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Thank you.
All right.